Welcome friends. Now ITR 1 has available for assessment year 2020-21. It is observed that current form have some changes from previous one. Now we discuss some changes in current form from previous one. The previous form has only 7 tabs, that is instruction, general information, computation of income and tax, tax detail, tax pattern verification, donation under 80G, donation under 80GGA. Now look what is the changes in recent form. In recent form there is 9 tabs. The additional 2 tabs is Schedule DI and Schedule 80D. The first changes we have noticed in Part A in general information. In this field are additional details to be furnished, that is, are you filing return of income under 7th provision of section 139(1) but otherwise not required to furnish return of income? Note, to be filed only if a person is not required to furnish a return of income under section 139(1) but filing return of income due to fulfilling one or more condition mentioned in the 7th provision of section 139(1). Now, what is 7th provision? The 7th provision is, if an individual who have deposited rupees 1 crore in one or more current account in financial year 2019-20 or who have incurred expenditure on an amount of aggregate of exceeding 2 lakh for foreign travel for himself or herself or any other person, or who have paid more than 1 lakh on electricity bill. If this condition is fulfilled, then assessee should be filed his return if his or her income is not taxable. So, if assessee fulfill this condition, put here yes, otherwise no. If you put here yes, then you can also check this box, you have deposited aggregate 1 crore or not, foreign travel or electric supply. If no, then it put no. The next changes we have found in here. In last return, deductible amount under 80D we filled here, but in current form 80D has its own schedule, that is Schedule 80D. There is 2 options: whether you or any of your family member excluding parents is a senior citizen, or whether any of your parent is senior citizen. Now look, whether you or any of your family member excluding parents is senior citizen. If yes, then you can find here 3 tabs: health insurance, preventive health checkup and medical expenses. If not senior citizen, then only 2 expenditure can be deductible: health insurance and preventive health checkup. And you wish not claiming for this, then no, all our tabs are inactive. Now, whether any of your parents is senior citizen, if you put yes, then same condition, you get health insurance, preventive health checkup and medical expenditure as a deduction. If no, then only health insurance and preventive health checkup. And if you wish not claiming parents, then all tabs are inactive. The next is Schedule DI. What is Schedule DI? The Schedule DI is detail of investment or deposit expenditure which is you claiming under deduction under chapter 6A, that is 80C, 80CCC, 80CC, D1, CC, D1B, 80D, DD, 80E, 80G, 80GG, 80GGC. All details here. The purpose of Schedule DI. For COVID-19 pandemic, the Income Tax Department has extended the time limit for making investment or expenditure related to financial year 2019-20 up to 30 June 2020. If you have made any investment, deposit or any expenses or donation which you wish to claim deduction in financial year 2019-20, but the actual expenditure on investment incurred between 1st April 2020 to 30 June 2020, then you should put it here. The total deduction you should claim here is field is from automatically from this tab, and now you can fill here and here put the amount you claimed here, but actual expenditure on investment incurred between 1st April 2020 to 30 June 2020. These are the changes made in this ITR 1 for current year. All other form are the same as previous year written. If you like my video, please share, subscribe my channel, like my videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.